Hello and welcome to our channel. We are going to learn how to add the processing time in PySpark Dataframe. So we will have a PySpark Dataframe and we will add the processing date time into the data frame. So let's get started. Let's start the PySpark. Let's start the PySpark. Now we will import date time and this is going to get the current date. Paste. We will create a data frame. So this is a data. Print data and you can see data is printed. Define the columns for the data. Columns is equal to name, age and gender. Now we will create the data frame. So the code is df equal to spark dot create data frame data and schema. So data frame is getting created. So data frame is created. We will show the data frame. You can also open PySpark terminal and then start typing this program so that you can understand and learn the process. So this is the data frame and I can also see the schema by calling the method df.print schema. Df.print schema and it printed the schema. Let's get the current time and print. So we have used the datetime.now and str ftime in this format. So the data is in the 2025 12 16 and 12 colon 57.07. So this is the data and I can easily create a new column. Now we need to import some of the functions. We need to import the lit actually. From PySpark.sql.function import lit. Next, so this is the code df is equal to df dot with column and column name is load date to timestamp lit processing timestamp and is into the YIMM format. So if I run this code, it's going to create a new to timestamp is not defined. So need to import the to timestamp as well. Copy it paste here. Now run it again, and now it worked. Then we can call the show method and it will show the data. So we have a new column, load date, with the current date that we specified into this, that we specified here. So in this tutorial we learned how to add processing time in PySpark Dataframe. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.